Hello and welcome to Photoplay Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman, and with football season just wrapping up for high school students and just gearing up and in the middle of the season for NFL and college football, it's the perfect time to introduce you to the MVP Football Collection designed by Becky Moore. This collection features 6 great papers that you can mix and match, as well as an element sticker sheet. So let's jump in and take a look at all of the fun elements in this collection. The first paper in this collection is the touchdown paper, which includes 2 4x6 cut-aparts, as well as 8 3x4 cut-aparts, perfect for a little bit of journaling, some fun titles, as well as adding to your pocket page albums or even creating a mini album for the football season. The back includes this black background with red and white polka dots. This paper is called Special Teams. It includes this two-tone green, like the yardage lines on a football field. I really like that. I really like the different football players with lots of different colored jerseys to hopefully mix and match with your team's colors as well. The back includes this great geometric pattern with a red background and a burgundy accent. How cool is the mix of fonts on the end zone paper, including lots of great words like first and goal, end zone, win, interception, defense, safety, MVP, and more. The back of that paper features lots of great footballs on a black background. First and goal includes stripes in different sizes that are black, gray, burgundy, green, and this great teal. The background of the paper on the back side is the same teal with opposite colors of helmets. The element sticker sheet includes 2 12-inch borders at the bottom, lots of fun words to add to your paper crafting project, football dad, football mom, some fun phrases and different types of headlines that you could use for a title and so forth. I love the Friday Night Lights, the football goal, all the different details that you see throughout all of the pieces. There's some tickets, tags, lots of fun elements to mix and match within this collection. Photoplay Paper wishes your favorite team a fantastic football season. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.